Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa has a very nice free-range chicken here. This is half of the chicken, probably about 800 gram, yeah, after chopping up, yeah. My favorite chicken, definitely. This is the black leg chicken, 黑脚鸡. Okay, then what do we need here? We will need to very easily prep the chicken later. I'll show you in a short while. Then I will need some minced garlic and ginger slices. We are going to make sesame oil chicken today, one of my family comfort food. We all love it. Of course, we need the sesame oil, dark soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, light soy sauce, my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, salt, sugar, and white pepper. Let's quickly marinate the chicken a bit. I'm going to give it some light soy sauce. Some Shaoxing wine. Done. Let's go and saute the ginger and also garlic. So first of all, get ready a wok. Put in a little bit of oil, vegetable oil mixed with some sesame oil. You mix the two because if you put only sesame oil alone, it can go bitter. Yeah, there is a possibility it can go bitter after you saute. Yeah, so always mix with some vegetable oil, so it won't get bitter and you will get the aroma from the sesame oil at the same time. After you heat up the oil, you put in the ginger and also garlic and saute it for a minute or two. Then we will come back shortly. Yeah. Once you start seeing the garlic started to brown, you can then put in the chicken, marinated chicken. Stir fry for a little while. Ooh, super fragrant. I wish you all can smell this. You can really smell the ginger and also the sesame oil. Ooh, now I remember this one seasoning I forgot to take out from the fridge. Let me go and take it out. Oyster sauce. I forgot to take out the oyster sauce. Next thing, I'm going to put in some Shaoxing wine. Now let's tune down the fire as we are going to add in the seasoning. I'm going to start with a bit of light soy sauce. A bit of dark soy sauce. This bottle is finishing. A bit of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore, made out of 100% nature ingredient. Yeah. Fine salt, a bit of sugar. Now I'm going to raise the heat to medium high. Let me give it a few stir first before I add in the water. Now I'm going to add in some water here. And we shall bring this to a boil. Have I added the oyster sauce? Maybe not. Let me add in the oyster sauce. Oh, also finishing. About 1 tablespoon. Right, now that it is boiling, I'm going to close it with a lid and tune down the fire to medium. I'm going to cook it for about 15 minutes, plus minus. Okay, you're going to see the sauce will slowly reduction, yeah? Then it will become thickened and the sauce will also go into the chicken itself. Now it's about 15 minutes. I can see still quite a bit of sauce there. I will let it continue cooking for a couple of minutes more. Right, this is after about 18 minutes simmering. Let me check the focus. Let's give it a few stir. We're going to give it some starch solution here. Immediately it will thicken up the sauce. See? And the chicken here will become shiny. Ooh, looks so much more yummier, right? Not done yet. Right before serving, this is a sesame oil chicken, therefore let's add in a little bit more sesame oil here. Alright, this is how you really enhance the flavor of the sesame oil. And few dashes of white pepper. Done. Off the fire. Beautiful sauce. Here's my serving plate. Look at this. So beautiful, very appetizing, isn't it? Alright, so I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.